students, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. And this is Akansha Pandey. I am your subject teacher of science. Students, as we know that your chapter number 5, the name of this chapter soil is in proceeding and as we know the lecture of related to this chapter are over and exercise also has been solved. So students, now today we are going to explain about the some word meaning related to this chapter. Before the explanation of word meaning, let us revise the some topic of this chapter. Students, we have learned by this chapter about the soil. What is the soil? The upper layer of the earth's surface. It consists the many types of minerals, dead particle of human being, animals and plants also. That is called earth soil. That is called soil. And next topic is the types of soil. There are three types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil and loam soil. And next, you have also learned about the composition of soil. And now, students, give the answer of this question, please. Which soil is best for our crop? So, students, as we know that the loamy soil is the very good for our crop or plants. So, students, let us see here the some word meaning are given. Your first word meaning is soil. The meaning of the soil, the upper layer of earth's surface. What is the meaning of soil? The upper layer of earth's surface. It means अर्थ का सबसे ऊपरी सरफेस जो होगा, लेयर होगा, वो क्या होगा? सॉइल होगा. इट्स कंसिस्ट द मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल्स, डेड पार्टिकल ऑफ animals and plants and human being also. And next is erosion. What is the erosion? Erosion means this is any type of removal. Any type of removal is called erosion, as like the soil erosion. In this chapter, you have also learned about the soil erosion. It means when the fertile parts of the soil when that is removed on the earth's surface, that is called soil erosion. So meaning of erosion is removal. And next word is conservation. What is the meaning of conservation? The any type of protection is called conservation, as like soil conservation. So, and next is clay. What is the means of clay? The means of clay is lumpy. It means this is the type of soil, the clay soil. Clay soil is when it wet, then it's look as like lumpy and full with the moisture. So meaning of clay is lumpy and moist. And next is humus. What is the meaning of humus, students? The meaning of humus is organic material. What is the organic material? Organic material consists the dead particle of human being, animals and plants. So this is the full with fertility, and this is very good for our plants. And next word is composition. What is the meaning of composition? The any type of arrangement is called the composition. So students, let us discuss about the meaning again. Soil. Spelling of soil SOIL. Soil means the upper layer of Earth's surface is called soil. Your second word meaning is erosion. Means of erosion, removal. The any type of removal is called erosion. Next, conservation. What is the means of conservation? The means of conservation, protection. Spelling of protection, PROTECTION. Next, clay. What is the meaning of clay? Clay means lumpy. The meaning of the spelling of lumpy, LUMPY. Next, humus. Humus means organic material. Spelling of organic material, ORGANIC, organic, MATERIAL, material. Next, composition. The meaning of composition is arrangement. Spelling of arrangement, ARRANGEMENT. And students, I hope you all understood about this. And students, dear students, you have to learn this word meaning, and you have to also write in your CW and fair copy also. Thanks a lot for watching this video, students, and we will meet again in our next video. Thank you.